Yes. Now the subtract by backward counting. Backward counting. So then first question is 38 minus 6. 38 minus 6. First you take 6 numbers. These are 6 numbers. Then in these 6 numbers we have to minus. First 38 is 37, 36, 35, 34, 32, 34, 33, 32. 32. Our answer is 32. 32. In the same way, 25 minus 4. 25 minus 4. 4. 25. 24, 23, 22, 21. 21. Next, 71 minus 3. 71 minus 3. 71 minus 3. 70, then 69, then 68. 68. 68. Okay. 92 minus 7. 7. 92 minus 7. 92. 91, 90. Then 89. Then 88. Then 87. Then 86. Then 85. 85. After back counting, then answer is 85. So in this way we have to do back counting and subtract the given numbers and write your answer. Write your answer. Okay. Now, then in this number line it is given that. So what is given here? So we have to get 81 minus 7. 81 minus 7. You take from here 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89 and here 90. What is here 81? Here 81. First point is on 81 and 81 minus 7. Minus 7. 81 minus 7. 81 minus 7. We have to do minus 7. Minus 7. So 88 minus 7 here. It is not 81. It is 88. 88 minus 7. Don't take point here. So don't take point here. Where is 88? Here this is 88. See, you mark on 88. This is our 88. Minus 7 means we move backward. Minus means we move backward and plus means we have to move forward. We have to move forward. Here we have to move 7 places backward. 7 places backward. Means left side we have to move. Left side we have to move. First we have to take this 88. On 88 keep dot, then 7 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 81. Answer is 81. 81. So this is our answer. This is our answer. Now here 39 is given, so you have to start from 31. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, this one is 40. First is 39, so mark on 39, mark on 39. So 39 is there, minus 5 is there. Minus 5 means we have to move left side. How many places? 5 places we have to move left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 places left side. 5 places left side. The answer is 34. The answer is 34. 39 minus 5 is 34. The next question is here 62 is given. 62. 62 means you start here from 60. 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. So what is here 62? Mark on 62 first. Here 62 is there. Minus 2 is given. Minus 2 means we have to take 2 places left side. means we have to move left side. So from where here? One place and one more place. So the answer is 60. 62 minus 2 is 60. In this way we have to do our subtraction on number line. This is a subtraction. This is a subtraction. Okay. So this is also subtraction. So this is by using backward counting. So this is a number line. This is a number line. Then subtraction of two-digit numbers. Two-digit numbers. 1, 2, 3 questions are given. In these questions, so we have to subtract. So first, second, and third. So this is without regrouping. Without regrouping number. See here. Without regrouping, then how to do? 7. Here 7 is the total. This is 7. 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4. This 4. 7 minus 4. How many left? 3. So that 3 we have to write here. Next, again here 7. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. 3 we have to. Then how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 4 is our answer. Here 4. Okay, 43 is our answer. Now here, second question, 96, 33 minus. First ones places. So ones places, what is there first? 6. 6. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. Then how many left? 3 left. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then 3. Then 9 minus 3. So complete 9. 9 minus 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 left. Then 6. Here 9 minus 9. Same number minus same number. Same 9 minus 9 0. 9 minus 9 0. Same number minus same number. According to our rule is there no? Same subtraction, if same number minus same number is 0. Same number with same number. So the answer will be 0 in minus. Then 4 and 3. In tens place 4 is there and 3 is there. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. Then how much left? 1 left. 4 minus 3 is 1 here. Then 4 minus 3 is 1. So then this is a subtraction without regrouping. This is a subtraction on number line. This is subtraction using backward counting. So 3 different various problems are here. This is one kind of a problem by using backward counting. This is the subtraction using a number line. This is a subtraction without regrouping. Now regrouping numbers are there. Subtraction with regrouping number. So here 91, 52 minus. First we start minus from ones place. Minus from ones place. Here 1 is there and 2 is there. So 1 is a lesser value and 2 is a bigger value. Why minus 2 is not possible? Is not possible. So minute and subtihend. Here minute is smaller than this subtihend. If minute is smaller than the subtihend, then minus is not possible. We have to take carry from the next place. So where from here? 9 is there. From here it will get 8. So here 110 we have to take here. 110. So 110 will decrease here. Total 9 tens were there. So 110 means 8 10 will get 9 10. If you take here 9 10, 9 plus 10 plus 1 11. Here we will get 11. We will get 11. 110 will come here. Here total 9 tens are there. Out of this 9 tens, so we are taking 110 here. So then 110 plus 1. 10 plus 1, 11 will get. Here out of this 9 tens, so 1 we are taking, so 8 tens left. 8 tens left. Then 8, 11 minus 2. 11 minus 2. 2 is there, no? 2. You count from 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many? 9. So you count like that. Okay? How to continue? First, here 2 is there. 11 minus 2. We have to do 11 minus 2. Then how to do 11 minus 2? Here 2 is there. 2. You start counting from 3 to 11. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total how many? 9. That you keep here. Then, yes, now here. 8 minus 5. Then 8 minus 5 is how much? 5 is there here. You start counting from 6 to 8. 6, 7, 8. that is 3. That is 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. 39. Now here, so 2 and 3. Here first we have to take ones places. So this is a smaller one, this is a bigger one. This is minute and this is septuagint. Minute is lesser than septuagint, so that is why we have to regroup it. We have to regroup it. If minute is bigger than septuagint, no need to regroup. No need to regroup. In the previous question, without regrouping we did. Why? Because there minute is bigger than the septuagint. Here minute is lesser than the septuagint, so that is why we have to regroup it. Then how to regroup it? So we have to take 110 from here. 110 out of 3 tens we are taking 110. So total 3 tens were there in tens place. 3 tens we will get 110 out, then 2 tens left. After taking 110 this side, 10 plus 2, 12. It will get 12. It will get 12. It will get 12. Like this we have to regroup. How to regroup? Once again you check here. Here 3 is there. Here first of all 3 and 2 and 3 is there. 2 is a minute and 3 is a septuagint. Minute is lesser than the septuagint. Whenever minute is lesser than septuagint, then we have to take borrow from the next, means we have to regroup it. We have to regroup it. Here 3 tens were there. Out of 3 tens we have to take 110. 10 plus 2, 12. Here 110 we are taking outside, means taking so ones place. So then out of 3 tens we will get 2 tens. We will get 2 tens. Then 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3 is how much? 12 minus 3. Here 3 is there. So 4 to 12 we have to count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total how much? 9. It means 12 minus 3 is 9. Then 2 minus 1 means 1 to 2. How much gap is there? 1. That is 1. 19. In the next place, in the next question, tens ones, first we starts from ones place, ones place to tens place. Here 1 is there, here 2 is there. Here 1 is there and here 2 is there. 1 is a minute and 2 is the septuagint. Here minute is lesser than the septuagint. When minute is lesser than the septuagint, then we have to take borrow from the next, means regroup. We have to regroup it. Here how many tens are there? 4 tens. You take 1 10 to this side, 10. 10 plus 1, it will get 11. Here out of 4 tens, we are taking 110 outside. Out of 4 tens, we will get 3 tens. We will get 3 tens. Total 4 tens are there. 4 tens means 40 is there. 4 tens is 40. Out of this 40, 110 we get outside, means ones place. 10 plus 1, 11, it will get 11. So 110 we are taking that side. Out of this 4 tens, 3 tens only left. 3 tens only left. Then 11 minus 2. Here 3 is there. 2 to 11, 3 to 11 we have to count. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How much? 9. 11 minus 2 is 9. Then 3 and 2. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 gap is 1. So that is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. So these are the two consecutive numbers, means serial numbers. So that is why only one gap is there in between 3 and 2. 19 is our answer. This is regrouping, 2-digit number is regrouping. Here only subtraction is there, 2-digit number. So nothing is given. So why it is not given? It means here minute is bigger than the septuagint. So that is why regrouping is not needed. So that is why here regrouping is not given. Without regrouping this is. So why? Because minute is bigger than the septuagint. Okay. So this is the difference between this and this. And this is backward counting and this is subtraction on number line. Okay. Next next checking subtraction with addition. So first we have to subtract the given questions. After that we have to check our answer. After we have to check our answer either it is correct or not by adding. So then how? First here see, 92 minus 29 is given. 92 minus 29. This is in ones place. This is in tens place. Then 2 and 9. This is the minute. This is the septuagint. Minute is less than septuagint. If minute is less than the septuagint, then we have to regroup it. Regroup it. How to regroup it? Here 9 tens were there. You take 110. 1 10 here, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. It becomes 12. Out of this 9 tens, 1 10 already we took out, then 8 tens left here. 8 tens. 9 tens 90. In that 90, 1 10 will get here. So then 10 plus 2, 12. We will get 12 here. Out of this 90, 1 10 we get this side, and 8 tens left here. 8 tens left here. So this is regrouping. Then 12 minus 9. Now minute is bigger than the subtrahend. Now minute is bigger than the subtrahend. Now you can minus it. 9. From 10 to 12 you have to count. 10, 11, 12, 3. Then 8 minus 2. From 3 to 8 you have to count. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 16, 3. Then how to check? Already we have a condition. So this is minute, this is subtrahend, this is the difference. This subtrahend plus difference. Subtrahend plus difference is equal to minute. This formula is there. How? So if you want to check, then check. Then 29 and 63, add these two. 9 plus 3, 12, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 92. So this is minute, this is subtrahend, and this is difference. Then difference plus subtrahend. If we add these both, it gives minute. We will get minute. So like 29. 29 is, what is this 29? 29 is subtrahend, and this is the difference. Subtrahend and difference, add these two. Then you will get minute. Then, so like this we have to check. Now, 8 minus 5. This minute is bigger than this subtrahend. No need to take any regrouping. Regrouping is not needed here. 8 minus 5. 6 to 8 you have to count. 6, 7, 8, 3. Then 6 minus 2. 2 means 3 to 6 we have to count. 3, 4, 5, 6, 4. 43. And again the same here. This is the subtrahend and this is the difference. Subtrahend and difference is equal to minute. Check your answer here. 25, 43. 5 plus 3, 8. 2 plus 4, 6. 68. You will get 68. Now, 4 minus 3. 4 is a minute. This is the subtrahend. Minute is bigger than the subtrahend. No need to make regrouping. Regrouping is not needed. When regrouping is needed, when minute is smaller than the subtrahend, then regroup it. Here 4 is bigger than this 3. So 4 minus 3. The difference is 1. These are alternate numbers. Only one difference is there. Whenever alternate numbers will come, the difference is 1 only. The difference between them is 1. And here no number, nothing means 5. We have to take as it is. Okay. Now this is, what is this? This is the subtrahend and this is the difference. So we have to take difference. Subtrahend and difference is equal to minute. 51, 52, 53, 54 you will get. 54 will get. If you want to check 51 and 3, add these two. 3 plus 1, 4 and 54. Like this. Difference and subtrahend. If you add difference and subtrahend, then our answer is minute. So remember this. Okay. So this is how to check. So we explained. Okay. Now, what problems? So in the difference questions, what problems are given? So solve the following problems. So Nupur scored 92 marks in science. While Mahi scored 79 marks. Who scored more and by how much? Who scored more marks? First we have to read the question. Read this question. Nupur. Nupur score. What is Nupur's score? 92 marks. And Mahi score 79. 92 is bigger, 79 is bigger. 92 and 79, in between 92 and 79, if we compare these two numbers, comparison of the numbers, so we learn how to compare. First tens place, 9 is there and 7 is there. In tens place 9 is there and tens place 7 is there. If we compare these two numbers, 92 is bigger. It means Nupur scored more. Who scored more? First question. First question answer is Nupur scored more. And by how much he is asking? For finding how much, we have to minus it. From where? Nupur marks, from Nupur marks to who? Mahi marks. Then you will get, so how much more he scored, you will get. First question answer, what is the first question answer? Who scored? Nupur. More. How much more? So that we have to find next. Then Nupur score in science. How many marks? 92. Next, Mahi score. Mahi score in science. How much? 79. 79. So then what we have to do? How many more marks means we have to make minus. Then 92 minus 79. This is minute, this is subtrahend. Minute is lesser than this subtrahend. Then you take borrow from the next place. So here 9 tens are there, take 1 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Out of 9 tens, so we took 1 10 in one's place, then 8 tens left here. Then 9 minus 12. 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9 is how much? From 10 to 12 count it. 10, 11, 12. Total how much? 3. Then 8 minus 7. These are serial consecutive numbers. So difference is 1. How many more marks he scored? So 13 marks. So who Nupur scored 13 marks more than Mahi. How many marks he scored? 13 more marks he scored than Mahi. 15 marks. No, 13 marks. Here, Nupur scored 13 marks more than Mahi. So, this is first understand the problem, read the problem and understand, and so decide what we have to do: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So here all are subtraction sums only. No doubt it's in subtraction only. But whenever in your exam, if a question is given, so in that, so we don't know that addition, either addition sum is there or subtraction sum is there. So that is why first you decide addition is there or subtraction is there. On the basis of that you add or you subtract.